There was a time when it was always summer, when the sun always shined brightly, the breezes were always calm and mild, and life for the animals was peaceful and worry-free.
Frog's gonna leap, gator's gonna bite, a gray wolf pack is gonna rule the night. A mountain lion's never been afraid of heights, but it's better when you can fly.
Whoa! Hey, that sounds like...
Crow!
He's
rehearsing. I think he landed.
Oi, oi, oi. That guy has got a voice.
Shh. Come on.
So good when you're up high. The blues come around, they won't get me down. I can make my escape. I'm not sly like a fox, don't sting like a bee. A grizzly would never run away from me. But think of all the things they could never see.
Oh, stop!
Is somebody out there? Who's there?
Whoops, looks like you're busted!
I can't let him smell me like this. Run, fly, flutter, go, just go.
Then, one day, winter came to the forest for the very first time, and the lives of the animals would never be the same.
I don't like this. I can't feel my toes.
Yes, yes.
Ay, qué frío!
Calm
Hey,
down.
we gotta do something!
There is a solution.
Before we freeze to death!
Everyone!
Yeah, we gotta do something before we freeze to death.
There is a solution. Someone must fly past the moon and the sun to where the stars dwell, to the one who creates everything by thinking, and convince him or her to unthink the cold and make it warm for us once again.
What about Crow? I mean, who could say no to that amazing voice? And those beautiful feathers.
Why don't you just ask him?
Crow? Crow's here?
Hey, everybody. Look, I can't go on a trip right now. I have rehearsals coming up for my show at the pond.
You're playing the pond?
I think you'd dig it. You gonna check it out, right?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, I gotta see about my schedule and stuff.
Yeah, that's cool. If you're free, come on by.
I guess that leaves me. Mutts can fly.
Yeah, but you just fly right into the sun.
I would, wouldn't I?
Well, not to toot my own horn, but owls are known for their expertise on the wing, even in absolute darkness. Wish me luck. Oh dear, my vertigo.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh! Well, I guess that leaves you, Crow.
Come on, guys. There's plenty of birds that can run your errand. I've got a show to do.
Look, there is not gonna be a show at the pond if we're all frozen solid.
Give me a break. I'm an artist, not a messenger boy. I've got rehearsals. I've got my fans to think about.
So that's all we are to you? Fans.
Well,
I thought we were friends. And I thought you were. I thought you were more than just a voice with feathers.
It's not like I'm saying it would be hard.
So you'll do it?
So Crow began his journey to find the one who creates everything by thinking.
Break a leg, Crow.
Thanks, Luna.
But don't really break a leg.
Crow, hey, listen, space is no place for a bird. You need to get back down to Earth.
Hey, watch the feathers!
Sorry, see, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Hey, that's not down. You're going the wrong way, Crow. Wrong way.
Oh, it is definitely better when you can fly.
Crow would never be able to reach his goal on his own. So the one who creates everything by thinking played the music of the universe to guide him on his journey.
Man, this ain't as easy as I thought. Whoa, that's me! Man. Hey, big guy! Woohoo! Sing it, yeah! Man, it's skunk could see this. That's got to be the place. A couple more flaps, Cole.
Ooh, I wish Crow was back.
Well, I thought he'd be back already.
Who knows? Maybe he found someplace warm and we'll never see him again.
No. I know he'll do whatever he can. Make any sacrifice to save us. Unless something happened. What if he's in trouble?
I will go find out.
No, Moth! You won't be able to resist the sun's warm, soothing glow.
Don't worry, I can handle the sun.
No!
Moth!
Whoa, would you look at this place?
Crow had found the palace of the one who creates everything by thinking, the source of the entire universe. And he could only imagine the majesty of the spirit that lived within.
Hello? Hey, wake up down there.
The view from the blue sky, it looks so good when you're up high.
I remember that tune. It was stuck in my head for weeks.
Who are you?
I've been sitting here way too long. So, what brings you here, Crow?
You don't know? I mean, you are the one who created...
Yes, I know. You want me to unthink the code.
Exactly.
So, your friends pick you to be their big hero because of what? Your sweet voice and pretty feathers?
Well, I'm more than just a voice with feathers.
You better be, for their sake.
Look, I'm enjoying our little chat, but back on Earth, those friends of mine are getting colder.
Well, I didn't make the code. The spirit of the seasons did that.
But you must have thought up that spirit.
Oh, I did. But I can't unthink what's already been thunk. That's a rule I thunk up. Is thunk a word?
Your thinking is what got me in this hot mess in the first place.
Hot. That's it. Hold on to this branch.
Right? Whoa.
Now, watch in amazement as I make it burst into flames.
It's hot.
You're darn right it's hot. It's fire! Well, don't just stand there. Go, hurry. And whatever you do, you must not let that torch burn out. Let's see what you're really made of.
Crow? Where are you?
Yeah, what the heck is happening to you animals? Hey, you listen to me, Mom. I know I have a warm, soothing glow, but
That's
you
right,
should
that's
never
right.
look directly
Don't
at the
look, pay
sun,
no
and I mean
attention.
especially you.
Crow!
Because I know how attracted you are to my rich, mesmerizing.
You be quiet, mister. Crow?
You're right. You will not hear me say another word about my inviting golden oil.
Would you be quiet?
Uh-oh.
Wow. Ay, qué rico.
No, Mark, you got to get back. Hey, stop.
Snap out of it!
Oh, I found you.
What are you doing up here?
I thought you might need some help.
Help? No, sir. When the one who creates everything by thinking heard my song, she stopped her thinking and gave me this amazing gift of fire. Look at it. Can you feel it? It's warm.
Whoa.
And so, the show will go on. Ow! My feathers! My feathers! Oh no! The fire! It's gone! I failed. I failed everyone.
You're wrong, Crow. You will not give up. You will do whatever you can, make any sacrifice to save us.
You really think that?
No, that's what Skunk said. I figured you found someplace warm and were never coming back. But Skunk, she believes in you.
She does? All right, Crow. Let's see what you're really made of.
Yeah, well, whatever it is, it's flammable.
Crow! No! Come back!
No, don't do it, Crow.
Your
Hey, back up. Are you
feathers!
crazy? Come on, man. Hey! My eye!
I am so cold. Look!
Whoa! Ow! Ow! Big wave! Coming through! Hot!
Ooh. What is it? It's so warm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah! I feel like myself again. Turtle's back!
Yeah, baby! Woo-hoo! Hey, race you home! I win! Hey, everybody!
Moth, you're okay.
I did not fly into the sun! And you should have seen Crow. Oh, he was like a... Wait, where did he go?
Crow?
It's called fire.
Crow? Are you okay? Crow?
Skunk, is that you?
Crow. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. You can't help it.
I'm not talking about that.
I like your smell. It's kind of earthy, you know, in a good way.
Really?
I should be the one to apologize. I've been a real jerk. Acting like I was better than you, and better than everyone. Well, looks like I got what I deserved.
You're not gonna stop singing, right?
I used to have perfect pitch.
Nobody's perfect.
Okay, Crow. Now, let's see what you're really made of.
Oh, what's happening? Crow, your feathers, look.
Whoa, my colors. They've been in there all along. The view from the blue sky, it looks so good when you're up high. The blues come round, they won't get me down. I can make it. What do you think?
I actually like your new voice. It's kinda earthy.
Yeah, you know, in a good way. Bravo, maestro! Hey, why'd you stop?
The view from the blue sky, it looks so good when you're up high. The blues come round, they won't get me down. I can make my escape. I'm not sly like a fox, don't bite like a flea. A grizzly would never run away from me. But think of all the things they could never see. It's better when you can fly. Oh, the view from the blue sky, it looks so good when you're up high. The blues come around, they won't get me down. I can make my escape. Oh, everybody sings, but not like me. The air's much better here above the trees. Look up in the sky, I'm a sight to see. It's better when you can fly. Hey, the view from the blue sky, it looks so good when you're up high. Oh, but when I'm down, won't you come around, help me make my escape. No matter how high a crow can go, there's gonna come a time when he's brought down low. I've hit rock bottom and I just don't know. Oh, if it's better when you can fly.